how your journey has started, like how you started your image consultancy.
आप जब भी इमेज मैनेजमेंट बोलते तो सबसे पहले उनको लगता है कि इट्स ऑल अबाउट क्लोथिंग स्टाइलिंग, वैसा है। मुझे बहुत आइडिया है हर इंडस्ट्री में कैसी चीजें फंक्शन होती है, सो ऑल दिस वर्क्स इन माय फेवर बिकॉज एज इज नॉट अ बैरियर इन दिस प्रोफेशन।
Your favorite confidence boosting accessory?
A timeless piece of watch.
Body language habit you wish everyone would correct? This one, folding hands.
No,
correct.
yeah, cross arms, because that's a big no-no.
Yes, correct. Heels or flats? Which looks more confident on camera?
Heels.
Heels, yes.
Almost 25 years I was working, but कहीं पे लगता है ना that something was missing.
Hello and welcome back again in Baatcheet with Entrepreneur section on my channel Diligent Divas and Dudes. And as you know, we always talk about leadership, performance, struggle journey, and success stories of the entrepreneurs. Today, I have a very special guest with me, Miss Sharmila Subramaniam, and she is an image coach and consultant. And today, we will talk about the appearance, behavior, and confidence to achieve your targets. So, welcome Sharmila Subramaniam. How are you today? How are you feeling today?
Good. Awesome, I would say.
Yeah. So, actually, I am very happy to have you here today, and I am looking forward to have a very wonderful baatcheet about the confidence, the appearance, and how the image consultancy can change the whole perspective of any personality.
Absolutely.
So moving forward, I just want to know how your journey has started, like how you started your image consultancy journey, what was the point which triggered you to start this thing?
Okay, very good question. So I have always been like working with corporates, and almost 25 years I was working. But kahin pe lagta hai na that something was missing.
Yes.
And I always had inclination towards dressing
Yes.
appropriately,
Yes.
wherever I'm going.
Yes.
So I think that was my reason to choose this profession. But what triggered to start was, I think, COVID time.
Okay.
जितनी uncertainty थी in terms of jobs and
Right.
your future. That's when I thought, let me look at some profession which I can continue till any age, because age is not a barrier in this profession.
Right.
So that was my reason to choose this.
Okay. So, like, I would also want to know what was your background, like academically, what was your background, and then you twisted your career into this. So, just I want to know the background of your educational background.
So, I am psychology graduate, and then I did my post graduation in English. And then I started working with the service industry. So, kahin pe that image and how you should present yourself, was a very integral part of my career.
Yeah.
And that was the reason, when I was working also, मेरी team होती थी, मैं उनको भी I used to keep telling them कि क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं. So throughout my journey, I think how to present yourself was a very big part. And that's how gradually over a period of time, a lot of people kept telling me that you should choose a profession जहाँ पे आप लोगों को style कर सको या so though I'm not a fashion industry person, so I can't call myself a stylist, but yes, over years of experience I know what is the right thing to wear, the appropriate आपका role क्या है and क्या आपको कैसे ड्रेस करना चाहिए.
Correct.
So that is the thing.
And I think your subject, your education psychology is also playing an important
Very
part
important
in that.
part, because that helps me understand people so well. And also I would say my job, जितने भी मैंने रोल किए हैं, was always indirect like customer people handling role. So that also gave me a lot of understanding of different kind of people.
Right.
So that definitely helps me. And I have worked in various industries, तो मुझे बहुत आइडिया है हर इंडस्ट्री में कैसी चीजें फंक्शन होती है. So all this works in my favor now.
Correct. So overall personality you can judge and you can guide them accordingly.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I try to.
Great. So further I would like to ask, like, what is image coaching really is it a mix of one thing, or the combination of 2-3 things like styling, appearance, behavior, communication, and how people perceive it? So basically 2 questions in 1 question.
Correct.
Yeah.
So let me first start with the first one. So image consultants, image management जो हम बोलते हैं, तो instantly लोगों को लगता है कि it's all about clothing.
Yes.
Whereas it
Mostly
is not
people,
that. Yeah, it is not that. So we say like ABC in our image management, which
Yes.
is your appearance, behavior, and communication.
Correct.
So simple logic है, if you are dressed very well, but if your communication is not right, or if you are not behaving appropriately, so आप कितना भी अच्छा ड्रेस कर लो, it will not be taken in the right spirit. Correct. And अगर
when you will speak, it will be
वो
shown.
दिख जाता है, right?
Yeah.
And अगर आप बहुत very well behaved and सब कुछ हो, आप बहुत talented हो, सब चीज अच्छा है, but you're dressed very shabbily, so again people will not take you seriously.
Yes.
Right? Because उनको वो trust नहीं आएगा कि हम like any important task can we give that to you, right?
Correct.
So that is the thing. So ABC is all very important, and as image consultant we just don't look at what you are wearing. We also see कि आपका background क्या है, what work you are doing,
right,
who all you are meeting, what kind of let's say if you are having your meetings or conferences, कहाँ पे आप जा रहे हो, किन से आप deal कर रहे हो. So keeping all that in mind, that's when we suggest like what is the right way of dressing up and how you should behave, what should be your style of communication.
Correct.
So that is all about image management. And yes, styling and those things are very important part, because a lot of the first thing you see in a person is clothing, right?
Yes.
क्योंकि वो बात तो बाद में करेगा. So the clothing is very important. So that takes away a chunk of our work, where we suggest people what to wear, and the accessories also very important. So yeah, so it's
including body language also.
Everything.
How the person is coming to you,
exactly,
walking,
how you are walking,
yeah,
your eye contact, your
how you're sitting,
your posture, gesture, everything. So everything is important. Like अभी अगर मैं ऐसे बैठी हूँ, मैं ऐसे करके आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, so beyond a point you will feel that maybe I'm not interested to talk to you, right? तो मैंने कुछ बोला नहीं है, मैं बात वही कर रही हूँ, हाँ, मैं बात वही कर रही हूँ, मैं स्माइल भी कर रही हूँ, मैं अच्छे से बात कर रही हूँ, but beyond a point आपको लगेगा कि maybe I am not interested in like continuing this, right? तो आपके question थोड़ा, आपका भी आवाज थोड़ा नीचे हो जाएगा. So that is the science behind it.
Great. And how, the second question, how the people perceive it, like when you tell them that do this, what is the first impression, like how do they take it?
No, now I think everyone takes it in a very positive way. Like I have all my fellow members of the same fraternity, so everyone says like people are really up for taking up this. But the only thing is कि आप जब भी image management बोलते हो तो सबसे पहले उनको लगता है कि it's all about clothing, styling, वैसा है. So then we tell them that no, it's not only about that. So I mean, right now what happens is, yes, we need to go and educate a lot. Corporates also are now coming up, and they want these services because sometimes they feel their employees are like talented when it comes to like hard skills, वो है, but कहीं पे वो soft skills, which is a mix of how they are communicating and how they are dressing up also.
Yes, when they meet to the delegates and
because see, they are in UAE and यहाँ पे आप different nationalities के साथ आप काम कर रहे हो. Now within the same office, if one kind of nationality is dressing up very well and there is another nationality who's dressed very shabbily, but काम दोनों same कर रहे हैं, trust me, the other person who is not dressed properly will not get the same kind of recognition. So people are now actually they are searching for us.
Correct.
So a lot of times we do get a lot of calls and inquiries.
Great. So, as you just mentioned, image coach, people are taking it as, just a styling. So, a word came in my mind. Previously, smart, the word smart was also taken in a way that, look wise is smart.
Correct.
But now I think people are understanding it. Smart is not a word just look wise.
Yeah.
It is a combination of your intelligence, your
Everything.
behavior, your
Everything.
IQ.
बिल्कुल,
Same way image consultancy.
मैं वही बोला ना, अगर आपका IQ सब बहुत अच्छा है, but you are dressed very shabbily,
yes,
you will not be taken seriously, and vice versa. Now, the other thing, lot of people keep giving Mark Zuckerberg का example, कि वो तो denim पहनते, वो he has reached that level.
Yes.
So first you reach that level that people know you, and then you can compare yourself with him, right? So we are at a place where we are making ours. So as an image consultant, if I am trying to educate people on what is the appropriate dressing, and if I am dressed in a denim and casual shirt,
they will not take you.
They will not take me seriously. So the role you are doing, uske hisab se you need to be appropriately dressed.
Correct. That what common problem people are facing as you are coaching various kind of group set of group people like corporate employees also, students also. So what common problem amongst all them, what you are facing when you are coaching them or guiding them in terms of personality development?
So corporates or even students at times, a lot of people come up to us that they don't feel confident about themselves.
Okay.
And also within the organization, so when we do a lot of corporate trainings for communication or selling techniques or negotiation when we are doing, तो उनका बहुत बार ये होता है कि they are not able to reach to a conclusion. So their communication style is not very assertive. So assertive is something जहाँ पे आप अपनी बात भी रखते हो and you are giving importance to what the other person is also saying, right? And that is where a lot of people lack, because either you are too aggressive कि आपको जो बोलना है आप वो बोलोगे, या फिर आप सिर्फ you end up listening to others. So that is the biggest thing, I think, and that makes them feel lack of confidence in their personality, whether it is students, whether it is corporates, a lot of people, and also public speaking, because nowadays a lot of opportunities we get where we need to go and address, say, a people a crowd of 20, 30, 50, 100,
yes.
स्कूल में अगर उनको डिबेट्स करना है, so they feel little, so their vocabulary must be very good,
right?
But facing the crowd is what is the problem. So that is, I think, the biggest challenge what we come across, where they tell us, like for the communication they need help. And communication आपकी अगर अच्छी है तो lot of things are taken care of. Correct. Because हमें क्या होता है, हम जल्दी में होते हैं, हमें जो बोलना है हम वो
बोल देते हैं, सामने वाले का
सुनना नहीं है. So that is the thing.
Yeah. Okay. I would like to ask, do you have any transformation journey experience of any of your client, like how the person was before and how now he is behaving in terms of overall development after your sessions? So do you have any story like that?
Yes, a very interesting one, in fact. So I was doing this corporate training and there was this one girl as a part. So mostly one-on-one coaching में हमारे पास बड़े सारे transformational journeys होती हैं. But ये था corporate training and she was part of the group.
Great.
So she came up to me after the training that she found the training very helpful, and she asked me for certain tips and tricks जो मैंने उसको दिए. Then the very interesting thing happened, that she reached out to me later for her parents.
Okay.
Because she felt that this communication, what I was saying, she said कि मेरे parents और मेरे बीच में like हम बात करते हैं तो we end up arguing, because they don't know कि मेरा कैसे सुनना है उनको, या I am probably not open to listen to them. So I started doing this one-on-one coaching for her parents also, and that through that corporate training मुझे हुआ, and they were in India, so I used to do online training for them. And I think after maybe 1.5 months, all three of them we had a like you know a group call because पहले मैं अलग करती थी,
हाँ,
parents का अलग
okay.
करती थी, daughter का अलग करती थी, फिर
Okay.
एक साथ वो आए and they were so happy. They said like कि now we are talking to each other,
हाँ,
you
now
know,
we are not arguing.
conversation हो रही है. पहले हमारे सिर्फ argument होती थी.
Great.
So I think that was a very big high for me because I was feeling so happy कि आजकल के टाइम में यही हमारे challenges होते हैं.
Correct, correct,
Everyone is glued to social media. Kids parents की नहीं सुनते हैं, parents की expectations होते
Correct,
हैं.
correct.
But that was something, you know, I could help them in the right way.
Mm-hmm.
So I was feeling very
Great,
gratified
great,
कि
great.
कुछ तो अच्छा किया मैंने.
Correct, correct. अभी what I felt कि जो Indian families है ना वो इस चीज को accept करने में problem है कि means parents का mentality is we are correct and the kid has to listen us.
Correct.
तो उस चक्कर में वो communication का पूरा गड़बड़ हो जाता है.
जीरो हो जाता है.
So अगर I think अगर Indian parents इस चीज को समझते हैं and if they take these kind of sessions maybe problem solve होना start हो जाएंगी.
Exactly.
Because जो generation gap हम बोलते हैं maybe वो gap
कम हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
बिल्कुल आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि as time passes, you know, every generation will have difference.
Correct.
So I told them, I said, how your parents were, you were not like you know, you
Correct.
as parents are not the same, right?
Yeah.
तो तब उनको थोड़ा सा realize हुआ कि yeah, there is a huge difference between their parents and them.
Yes.
So I said, how can you expect, you know, the child? And
Correct.
she has been here in UAE for a very long time.
Yes.
So they had lot of issues with her in terms of her behavior or you know what she's dressing or with whom she's going. So I said, you cannot be sitting there and judging her.
Correct.
So, but obviously telling all this in a very subtle way because as trainers we cannot, like, it's not right to tell someone you are right, you are wrong.
Correct.
So
I can feel it. It's sometimes it's a stressful job also for you because you know you are making them understand and maybe their mindset is like that कि उनको नहीं समझना. ऐसा होता है स्टार्टिंग में वो नहीं सुनेंगे. वो
उल्टा भी हो सकता है.
हाँ,
क्या हमें मत सिखा.
करेक्ट. वो बोल सकते हैं कि who are you, why you want this, maybe means उनके माइंड में ही हो सकता है.
पक्का.
करेक्ट. So it is very stressful for you also.
And when they see थोड़ा सा change ना तब उनके वो चेंज होना शुरू, लाइक अपनी कॉन्वर्सेशन बात करने में. तो यहाँ पे भी यही हुआ था. जब उनको थोड़ा सा चेंज दिखने लगा ना,
उसके बाद
that's when they kind of opened up मेरे साथ बहुत ज्यादा. But it took that initial 10-15 days, you know, to kind of build that rapport, and that's where my education, my psychology or my experience with dealing so many people,
it is very helpful.
वो बहुत help करता है मुझे.
Great. So it's a good combination. Being an image consultant and psychology student. Actually, great.
Right.
Now I want to ask, what practical tip you want to give to the audience, you know, to make sudden changes in them if they want to have any tip with this video and they can, you know, adapt it and have change in their personality.
Okay. So as image consultant, ABC में अगर मुझे कुछ बोलना है, ठीक है. So A is your appearance.
Yes.
So appearance does not mean कि आपको बहुत like you know branded कपड़े ही पहनोगे तो ही आपका. आपको सिर्फ ये समझना है कि आपका रोल क्या है और आप किससे डील कर रहे हो, like you know who you are meeting.
Correct.
उसके हिसाब से appropriate your clothing should be, right? It shouldn't be too much, but एक simple सा, you know, कपड़े ironed होने चाहिए, like that basic simple thing, which is appearance.
Correct.
Communication, learn to listen. People have stopped listening to others.
Yes.
Right? So you should learn to listen. And behavior, again, I always tell everyone that before reacting, take that 2-second, 3-second pause, and you know, and think, and then you know you get time to kind of process the situation. Correct. And always put yourself in the other person's shoes and think कि अगर उसने ऐसा किया तो क्यों किया.
Correct.
You know, that 3 seconds gives you that chance to think.
Yes.
So that will be my tip, and that will take you a very long way.
Yeah. Great. How you customize your training? Like you have students, you have professionals, you have corporate people also. So for everyone, you need to customize your training. So like what are the steps you are taking forward for customization basically?
Okay. So anytime we like you know I'll get an inquiry, so normally we call it a discovery call. Okay. So I'll have like a detailed call discussion with the client in terms of understanding who are the participants जिनकी मैं training कर रही हूँ. Now if it is a student, if it is a corporate, तो corporate में भी different level हैं. Student में कौन से like classes कौन सी हैं, उनके age group क्या है. Also we look at the nationality because lot of people coming from different nationalities. उसमें क्या होता है कि every country will have their own set of rules and regulations, behavior, culture. Right. So वो भी हम we keep that in mind, right? So all this, and then if it's corporate, so कौन सी industry है, right? कौन सा function है, if it is sales functions जिनकी training होनी है, if it is the front end which is your admin, customer service, उनकी training होनी है. So all these details once I have, for a particular training that I'm doing and the topic of the training. Okay. That's when I start doing a little research on what the industry is. If these are students, then I will see in what class they are, unka future kya hai, how they have to, what are the things important for them right now. This corporate versus students versus women, housewife, everyone has a different future goals. Right. So wo karke, that's how then I sit and work on my content. So the initial part takes a lot of time. Great. And once that is done, once you have understood who your client is, and that's when I design the content. And again, depending on age, their corporate है तो कौन से level के हैं, we activities भी जो हम करते हैं, वो हम वैसे ही रखते हैं, mid level or upper level, so that they can relate to the activities. बहुत senior level को आपने बहुत बच्चों वाली करा दी तो they might not like it. Sometimes they enjoy also, sometimes they might not like it. So you have to see all that while you are designing a program. Correct.
So divas and dudes, if you want deep personality development, overall personality development, customized, you can always contact Sharmila Subramaniam. I'll put her Instagram ID in the description box also.
Thank you so much.
What are you planning, to showcase yourself, your services in the month of December?
Okay. So December, as you know, it's month of holidays and Christmas, New Year. So, I have few trainings which is going to happen in the month of December, which is pre the holidays. But in terms of, what goes on my social media will be very much, keeping winters in mind, the holiday season in mind, and the travel, how you should, everyone will be traveling. Correct. So what are the do's and don'ts of travel? Correct. Packing kaise karni chahiye, smart way of packing. Yes. So those are the things, you will get to see more on my page.
Great. So people, please follow on Instagram. You will get to know all the tips which you need in the month of December. Yeah. I am having a brand that is Digital Marvi. And as we are working together, I just want to know how is your experience with Digital Marvi, and if you want to give any kind of feedback from your side, I'm openly ready to take it.
Okay. So to be very honest, I'll call you Anu.
Yeah.
Okay. So to be very honest, you are a person who's very warm. You also understand your client. Okay. So why I decided to work with you was जब हम बात करना start किए थे, you didn't throw only your ideas to me.
Yes.
You patiently heard what I am doing, what I want, and even now, there are so many times, last moment हमारे calls होते हैं, and you're always open to listen to, what I have to say. And if something is not, sometimes I have certain reservations कि ये अच्छा लगेगा नहीं, then you say नहीं आप trust करो ये अच्छा लगेगा, and I go by your instinct. But that confidence in your voice कि आप trust करो, this will be fine, this will look good.
Yes.
वो ना बहुत important है,
correct,
because a lot of times I've seen people client है तो हाँ में हाँ मिलाते हैं, but that trust नहीं आता है फिर उसमें, because then you are also मैं भी अगर थोड़ा सा question mark है, and अगर आपने हाँ में हाँ मिला तो मेरे को ऐसा लगेगा अच्छा इसको भी इतना नहीं पता, सिर्फ हाँ में हाँ. So that is a very big plus with you, and obviously your nature, your behavior, the simplistic person you are, so that is my biggest reason, and people I recommend her, please work with her, because सबसे like no headache for me is what I enjoy. कि
Thank
सारा
you so
headache
much.
आपके ऊपर है.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So now it's my favorite part actually in full podcast, that is rapid fire round. And we will go with this and you have to reply spontaneously. Okay?
I'll try.
So yeah, let's start. One body language habit you wish everyone would correct. This one, folding hands.
No,
correct.
yeah, cross
Yeah,
arms
yeah.
because that's a big no.
Yes, correct. Your favorite confidence boosting accessory.
A timeless piece of watch.
Mhm.
You know, that's very important.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay. And next is one color that always looks elegant.
Navy.
Yes, navy, and I think for me, means this is your answer.
Hmm.
For me, I think black is also classy and elegant.
Black.
If like professionally.
Yeah, everyone thinks, but black, you know, can go on the other side also. You can come across as someone who's very authoritative. So navy is the color which gives you the right amount of confidence,
Okay.
credibility. So between black and navy, choose navy.
Wow.
Yeah, so that doesn't make you look very authoritative, but at the same time gives you the right amount of authority and, you know, the confidence that you need.
Great. So this is the advantage of talking to an image consultant and, you know, getting the difference between. Great. Okay. Next is a communication mistake people don't realize they make.
That is not to listen before they speak. You know, they are in a hurry to reply.
Yes.
So that's the biggest communication mistake, I feel.
Okay. Okay. Heels or flats? Which looks more confident on camera?
Heels.
Heels, yes. For me also.
Even if it's a smaller one,
Yeah.
kitten heel. But heels definitely make you know, it elevates your posture
Correct,
immediately.
correct,
So
correct.
always heels.
Heels, correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Your go-to travel styling hack?
My jacket. You know, I just need it like anytime. It covers a lot of flaws.
Yes, yes.
And I feel cold, so, you know, it keeps me warm
That
also.
also, you can do it.
Yeah, you can style,
style
सब
it
कुछ, you know,
also.
everything covers, you know, with my jacket.
Yes.
So I'm always with my jacket.
Okay. Then, best haircut for a round face?
Best haircut. So you should have layering, because round face tends to, like, you know, you will have a little a volume here, right?
Correct.
So little layering, or, you know, those flicks will
Mhm.
cover that and give little sharpness to your face.
Mhm.
Yeah. So any style of layering would be nice, and
Okay.
something which kind of stops
Can-
here. If you
yeah,
have longer
cover.
hair, the first layer should somewhere stop here, so it
Mhm.
gives little those cuts on your face.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay. One soft skill every professional must master.
Again, I would say to listen.
To listen. So communication actually begins
Yeah.
with listening,
With
not
listening.
not with
No,
talking much.
absolutely not.
Correct.
First, you have to learn to listen,
Listen.
and then only you will know what to speak.
Correct.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you will just speak junk.
हाँ, yeah. Obviously, आपने सुना नहीं है, तो आप जो भी बोलोगे, it will
हाँ.
not be so relevant, right?
Correct. Correct.
So listening is my always a go-to, you know, communication mastery that everyone should have, you know, with
Great.
them.
Great. A style rule you personally live by.
So not too many colors.
Mhm.
Okay. Let whatever outfit you are choosing, colors should not fight with each other, right?
Mhm.
थोड़ा सा balance होना चाहिए in terms of color, and don't go for too much contrasting colors,
Mhm.
because that also somewhere, you know, cuts your body, like, you know, where one color stops, you know, it cuts your body.
Mhm.
So a lot of people, we want to look tall and lean, so that doesn't help in that.
Mhm.
So go with colors which is more in harmony.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
Mhm.
that's the style mantra I can give.
Nice. And one word that describes you as an image coach.
Style and warmth, I would
Yes.
say. Yeah.
Great.
Style like, mixed with warmth.
Great. So, actually, it was a very nice conversation for
I
me.
loved it.
Yeah, it was very nice, and we have very much, you know, takeaways and tips in this session, which is very useful for the audience also, and
I'm
it will really help them. I like that haircut wala thing. Yes. So actually, and that navy and black, because
Yes.
I always choose black agar kahin professionally
Hmm,
jana hai to,
hmm.
but
So that's a myth.
Yeah.
People think that black makes you look lean, black makes you look tall.
Hmm.
Yes, it does. It does. But you should know how to style black also.
Correct.
So black safe color hai. You have been hearing this for ages now, right? But black is like, not always gives you the kind of, flattery to your body and to your silhouette if you have not styled it correctly, right? And too much black also then, makes you very unapproachable as a person, right? क्योंकि हम आप खुद सोचो अगर कोई पूरा ब्लैक सूट पहन के आ रहा है, आपको लगेगा कि कहीं का तो बॉस है, बहुत सीनियर बंदा है, तो आप उसके पास जाने के सोचोगे 4 बार, right?
बात करें या नहीं
हाँ, बात करें या नहीं करें. So navy is a better color to choose when even for senior professionals in their work, a navy or a very like a darker shade of grey is a better color where you look little more approachable as compared to black.
Right. Great. So these are the tips you always have to note it down and apply in your daily routine, and you will get your personality elevated. Yes. So here we are ending our session. I enjoyed it a lot. I think you
I loved it, and thank you for having me here. It was a real pleasure. It's always a pleasure to talk to you. But we have never spoken like this formally.
Yes.
So it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So guys, please subscribe the channel, and we will come back again with the next guest, next story, and next journey. Thank you so much.